Hello guys, today I'm going to conduct an activity with my students and we call it running dictation. Running dictation. So, running dictation, I divide the board into two groups, group 1 and group 2. And now let's go and divide the classroom. Okay, can you say 1?
1.
You are group 1?
2.
2. You are group 2, okay? 1, 2.
1.
1, 2. Okay? 2. 1, 2. 1, 1. Okay? Good. In running dictation, you stay in a group 1 on this side and group 2 on this side. And I have, listen one more time, I give you this test from your book. So you have to read them on the table and remember as much you can sentences and words. And come to the blackboard and write down what you remember. Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you have any questions?
No.
No?
No.
That's fine. Good. So you have to pay attention to write correct and write the full test. Okay? So you remember a lot. No, you don't. So one person, one time only. So let's see. So this is running dictation. It is good for remembering vocabularies, sentences and ideas and practicing writing in English. That's good. Okay, did you finish?
Yes.
So let's count that both groups finish the same time. Okay?
Yes.
At the same time, you have finished writing. And now, in the second step, let's count how many mistakes did you make group 1 and how many mistakes did you make group 2. Okay?
Yes.
Now let's check. You can take a book. You can take a book, open the book, and open the page 100. But this Saturdays, so let's first see the Isabel, okay? But this Saturday, so you have one mistake in here. Saturdays you have, okay? It's counting. But this Saturday is different. This morning, Isabel, so you wrote Isabel, right? So that's a mistake. Got her early because Where is your today? You don't have today. Today. Okay?
Yes.
Today, she's getting married. She's in a church with all her family. She is in a church with all her family and friends. She's wearing. Okay, look how did you write the she. Right? She's wearing. You don't have the article. A white dress, and her husband. One more here. And her husband is standing next to her. Okay, how many mistakes you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 6 mistakes. So Leo is wearing a blue jacket. Okay, let's count the mistakes of group 2. How many mistakes? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's count it 5, okay? Because they wrote it. They wrote it. Okay? Let's say the group 2, they won. Okay, let's play for group 2. That's good job. So, you should write a lot in order to improve your writing. If you like to be a good writer, you should write a lot. Okay? To remember the vocabularies. The writing of vocabularies. You understand?
Yes.
So, did you like this activity?
Yes.
Did you like this activity?
Yes.
So, thanks a lot.